Well, this is my latest project. I have not been very happy with it because it stops once in a while, as you can see. Uh, and I don't understand why. I've tried all kinds of adjustments, and sometimes it will run many times round, and then it just stops at one of these injunctions, like there and there. And right now it's running pretty good, and then it stopped. So I have to restart it. But that's just what it is. And I guess there's no other adjustments I can make uh, due to the way it works. This is the on and off switch. I'm gonna try to like tilt this a little bit. Now it's running nice, and you have to buy a kit from or the parts from Bamboo's Labs, and uh, it's not cheap. It was like $40 for all the parts. There's a special little motor like this one that has to have two of these shafts sticking out. Uh, and then you need a bunch of little wires and little board, and then you need a switch, and then there's also a trimmer adjustments in here. Let me just kind of give you a look about how this looks from the side. This mountain lifts up, so you can change the battery, but I've tried that, and unfortunately, there is just not enough room for that. So one has to take these four screws out and then pull this whole thing out to change the batteries. So would I recommend you to do it? Probably not. But again, if you want to do it, you can find it on a Bamboo Labs website, and uh, you download the parts to print and then get the required parts for it. Just read the instructions and make sure that you get them all, um, and and have fun with it, I guess. But I don't know why it's doing this. It's just sometimes it would run really well for a little while, and then it just starts giving trouble. So I'm not very happy with my project. I actually redone these half moon, uh, this these parts here. I redone it and I've tried to glue it together. That didn't work, and there goes the ball. The marble actually. It's frustrating because I've spent so much time on this. I wanted to make it work, and unfortunately, it just sometimes runs and sometimes it won't run. So I don't know. Wow, it's been running the longest. Oop, spoke too soon. Anyway, the I think the problem. I'm going to shut this off, and then I use this little sticky putty uh, to put my marble on, so I don't lose the marble. Anyway, these pieces they come apart like this, and then you just stick it together. And maybe the idea is, to make it run. The the marble, as it only runs on this edge and on this edge. It does not run in a on a bottom here. And when I use a marble that is smaller, then sometimes when it's lifted up like this, then the ball will just fall down on the ground, and that's not good either. And at least this one doesn't fall into the space in here. And so I have tried all kinds of things. I even like heated up the plastic and twisted it a little bit, and that didn't do any good. And so I don't know. It's just there's just too much play for what it needs to be. Uh, I think this piece should have been printed in one piece. So, well, anyway, I'm making already the video too long. So if you like the video, give me thumbs up, but mainly have a fantastic day.